Are you ready to say goodbye to the 9 to 5 and hello to freedom? Stay tuned for the ultimate guide on how to make money online in 2023. Hello and welcome to my channel, where today we'll be talking about how to make money online in 2023. If you are a mum looking to earn some extra income online or to start a business from home, then you are in the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing 4 different types of online businesses that you can start from the comfort of your own home. Drum roll, first cab off the rank is number 1, a content-based business. Now, what is a content-based business? Basically, it's a business based around content. This is things like article writing, creating videos, or vlogs, or podcasts. One of the biggest pros of content creation is it just requires you, and it can be done from anywhere around the world, including your living room or your bathroom. As long as you have an internet connection, you are sweet. This means, of course, that you get a lot of freedom, the freedom to work from wherever you like to, from a coffee shop, when you're on a holiday, or while you're on the toilet hiding from your children. Another cool part about a content-based business is you can create content about something you are passionate about, which makes it feel less like work. The downside, however, is that it can be very time-consuming, and it takes a lot of effort to build an audience. And unless you have an audience, you don't have money, which is kind of the point of starting in the first place. Otherwise, you've just got a hobby. So when you have a content-based business, it can take quite a lot of time to monetize your content. And if you want to do a good job, you also need to invest in software or equipment in order to make good quality content. The second type of business that is very popular right now is a service-based business. This means you're essentially providing a service for someone, and that takes many forms. It includes things like coaching, consulting, healing, being a practitioner, or even being a freelancer or a designer. Service-based businesses are awesome for mums who already have a skill or expertise in a particular area and they just want to help other people. The advantage of service-based businesses, particularly for women, is that we get to work one-on-one with people. And for us, this is a really fulfilling experience most of the time. It also means you create your schedule. You can determine what hours you are available, you can create a calendar, or just do work when you actually have the time. This is really important when you have kids because you need to work in the pockets of your time when it suits you, not when someone else is dictating when you can work. The downside of service-based businesses is that they can be really demanding of your energy and your time, particularly if you're working closely with clients. Sometimes you need to be available outside of traditional working hours, particularly if you work online and you're servicing a global client base. And this means it can be really hard to take time off when you actually need to. Also, you are still trading your time for money. And this means there is a limit, there is a cap on the amount of money that you're able to earn because you only have so many hours in your day. And if you're a mum, you've got kids too, who are taking up a lot of your time and your energy. The third type of business you can start is a product-based business. This includes things like e-commerce and drop shipping. A product-based business involves selling products, whether physical or digital, online. And the advantage of this type of business is once you've found your product and you've built your store, you can earn money passively. I like to call this horizontal income. Now, this is money I can sign up for. You don't need to be actively involved in every step of the sales process, and you can earn money while you sleep, which is music to most people's ears. The downside of a product-based business is that it can be really competitive. It is noisy out there, and this means it can be super challenging to stand out. On top of that, you need to source, create, manufacture, and market the product yourself. And this requires an injection of capital from you. Dropshipping can sound really easy, but in reality, there are so many moving pieces of the puzzle, and it's not as simple as it looks. Trust me, I've been there. Unless you nail marketing, your product is just gonna sit there in your online store with no one looking at it. The fourth type of online business you could start is a partner-based business. And this is actually my favorite. This type of business includes things like network marketing, affiliate marketing, and multi-level marketing. A partner-based business involves finding a product that is already selling in the market, something that someone else has created, someone else has envisioned, someone else has brought to life. They've created all the systems, which means you don't have to. Partner-based businesses involve selling other people's products and you receive a commission when you make a sale. The advantage of this type of business is you don't need to create, pack, ship, or source the products yourself. And you can earn money without having to deal with customer service or refunds or any of that stuff. I've had an e-commerce store and I hated it because I had to do all of that stuff, including writing thank you notes. The downside of a partner-based business is that you need to choose carefully. You've got to choose something that makes the most sense, that isn't a scam, that is legitimate and ethical, and is values aligned, because we're thinking long-term here. You don't want to start something that you can't finish or something that you don't believe in. Also, like all of the businesses that I've mentioned, you need to be able to master the art of marketing. In every business, you have to become a master marketer. The genius of starting a partner-based business is that is the one skill that you have to master. You don't need to worry about all the other stuff, which means, in my personal view, that the partner-based business is the best business that you can start online as a mum to make money online in 2023. So how do you find the perfect partner? Product, something that is reliable, that is aligned with your values, and something you can keep doing, let's say 5 or 10 years from now. Before you start a business, you've got to understand what you want out of life. What does freedom mean to you? Why are you starting a business in the first place? Is it to feel fulfilled internally? Is it to make shit tons of money? Is it to retire your whole family, bring them together? Or is it just to make a few bucks extra? Remember, starting a new business is like having another baby. You need to grow and nurture it and put love and energy into a business. And if you can start a business that also starts to nurture you, you'll be way ahead of the pack. So if you're looking for a smart business model, something that ticks all of the boxes and gives you the freedom that you've been craving, I invite you to join my Freedom Business Masterclass. In it, I will guide you on how to kick all those downsides to the curb and create time, location, financial, family, and creative freedom. If you're interested in joining me for this masterclass, head on over to createfreedomwith.me and sign up for the masterclass. Cannot wait to see you inside and help you create the freedom-based business of your dreams. The link is in the caption. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the masterclass.